Speaking of rain, do you know anything about a prophet that
What's a prophet?
that had to do with rain? When there was a lot of rain?
You guys follow bio whale?
His name, nope.
I know. No,
His name was Noah.
Who makes the rain?
Who's what?
Wait, maybe if Jesus is filling his bucket full of water so he could put his plants that, I think that's how the rain comes.
I think you might be right. So like when it rains, that's Jesus dumping his bucket?
Yeah.
It's possible.
He wants it to be rainy so we won't have to wash, so we can put a black fan outside so if it gets dirty, it could wash stuff.
In the rain? Good idea.
So, and that means you won't have to water